Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's the 23rd of March, 2010, 8:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And after a brief little gap up into the 116.90 area on the S&P 500 ETF, you can see on a little 3-minute chart that we've sold off now back down to a slightly lower level. And again, if you look at that, it's almost exactly where we closed. And on a higher time frame, that's a little bit easier to see. Very close to that, and we also bounced on a great support area at this 116.50. It was great resistance yesterday, popped out of that nicely and above the 200 MA on this 15-minute chart, came back, used that area support, and then ran higher, making a nice little double top on the day before selling off slightly. Aftermarket, nice run up, bit of a gap up this morning like we talked about, and pulling back to support. So when I see a run up like this, going out even a higher time frame, not at all unexpected, because again, lots of resistance up in here. Even in this area, if we remove some of the pre and post market data, it makes it a little bit easier to see. And again, that's why this is so important of an area. We can zoom in, drop a line at 117 even, and also 117.30, 117.50. So this area up in here, a nice swing high where this failure occurred out of this gap, and where we're testing right now needs some time to rest. On the way up, if we do get a pop this morning, looking at 117, especially after 116.50 for support, 116 now, and that's going to be let me see. So after 116, yeah, that's a good one, and then also 115.50 works. And then going out even further, 115 even. So I can move this one now. So nice to have these round numbers again, these half round numbers to work with. Markets paid a lot of attention to that, and when those coincide with moving averages as well, we can use those as corroboration of that. We'll be watching the tick and the trend of the VIX, especially at the open, within the first 30 minutes to see what the sentiment of the day is. Interesting stuff. So we'll be watching the news as well, and I'll be back with you around noon Eastern Standard Time to see how things are shaping up. We do have a Meet the Mentor call tonight. If you're interested in that, you can email Mike_Williams at freetradingvideos.com, and he will hook you up with getting involved in that. It's pretty cool. So I will talk to you soon. Have a good trading day, everybody.